Good morning. Welcome to English News. I am Anil Thomas. Now for the stories in detail. After a comprehensive review and in view of the lockdown measures having led to significant gains in the COVID-19 situation in the country, Ministry of Home Affairs, that's the MHA, the Government of India, have issued an order under the Disaster Management Act 2005 to further extend the lockdown for a further period of 2 weeks with effect from May 4th. MHA also issued new guidelines to regulate different activities in this period based on the risk profiling of the districts of the country into red hotspot, green and orange zones. The guidelines have permitted considerable relaxations in the districts falling in the green and orange zones. Zonation plate, the criteria for the identification of districts as red, green and orange zones have been spelt out in detail by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The activities prohibited throughout this particular regions is hospitality service, all other services that include the standard persons, tourists and those used for quarantine facilities, all religious places of worship. Under the new guidelines, a limited number of activities will remain prohibited throughout the country irrespective of the zones. These are red zones allowed. Certain activities will be allowed in the red zone. The orange zone, the activity is allowed. Four-wheeler vehicles will have a maximum of 2 passengers besides the driver. Pillion riding will be allowed on two-wheelers. Moving to the green zone, there will be much more relaxations in the green zone. All activities permitted except those limited number of activities which are prohibited throughout the country irrespective of the zone. Buses can operate with up to 50% sitting capacity and bus depots can operate to 50% of their capacity.